Hi, this is Nirjana Aura and the host of Soul Talk. I am so glad to talk with you on another topic, and today we have with us an amazing personality. She's a tarot master and a tarot consultant. She has done a doctorate in alternate sciences. She is into Vastu and she has done amazingly well for last 32 years. And we would like to welcome Dr. Kiran Gupta on our episode today. Hello, Dr. Kiran Gupta. So nice to have you here.
Thank you, Nirjara, and thank you to Soul Talks for calling me.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So, Kiran ji, I have heard so much about you and so many different things that you do. So, सबसे पहले तो मैं पूछना चाहूँगी कि how are you in this field? What changed? There must be some power which brought you into this field.
Yeah, now when we begin with, we have heard this word, there was a calling.
Yes.
So far we have heard only calling is calling, but then this is a calling that you can, like I began my career at the age of 16, I believe, 10th standard the.
Okay.
Dad was doing well, mom was doing well, living in Santa Cruz car, but उनका ये था कि भैया लड़कियां हैं काम करो, you never know what's in store with them. Today we are fortune tellers, but I think our parents, every parent is a better fortune teller than us. They told us to work, तो हमने freelancing किया with very good designers. उस time पे fashion designer was not a big word in the 80s, 83, 84, SSC के बाद.
Yes.
And we started freelancing. And then I got married early. I had a baby. उसके बाद again I picked up because of the problem in my family life. Of course I had to work to survive. And I started with my retail. I got certified as a fashion designer. बाकायदा 2 साल का कोर्स किया था. And it's not easy. I would like to even to mention that fashion designing में there's no glamour when you're learning it. It's tough. It's more tough than you're doing your graduation. And somehow I think because that knack in me was there to help everybody. Reach out. Like till today sometimes I think I am badnaam, I am infamous. हाँ, इसको पता चलेगा ये तो दौड़ते हुए पहले चली जाएगी. इसको ना सबके घर में जाने की आदत है. इसको हर शादी में जाने, funeral में जाने, सब जगह. She is the first person.
But isn't that a wonderful quality of being so kind?
Exactly. Thank you for telling that.
Yeah.
Because for me, it is I'm doing it selflessly.
Exactly.
But then there are many who believe in building walls and not bridges.
Oh.
So they take an offense, and probably I think it is their insecurities that she'll be
Probably.
seen more. I'm not going there to be seen. I just have to go. And इसके बाद I think the Almighty has given me the blessing that चल तेरा मन साफ है, you can do it, so go ahead. And I'll give you, what do you call it, the divine intervention?
Yeah, the
That
predestiny or the predestined
Yeah.
thing, divine intervention.
That came in. So
Came
I
in.
started with Vastu.
Okay.
I got trained in Vastu. I did Vastu. And Vastu, when you realize, and that's not just about the geographical directions of the spaces, you get to know the auras or the vibes of the person, the lifestyle of a person. And I got into counseling and getting to learn, and I think to teach them to learn to love your house.
Okay.
If I'm doing somebody's kitchen, the lady of the house, she has to be, the kitchen has to be very beautiful. So that she gets up with a
उसको मन भी तो होना चाहिए ना किचन में
and
जाके
that's when
खाना
we tap
बनाना.
their psyche and their soul.
Okay.
Of course, later on, it wasn't just a calling. I trained in the Islamic way, in the Hindu Tantra.
Okay.
And then it's only you're doing is healing. But how do you just heal? You need to do a diagnosis.
Okay.
In case you've got a stomachache and you go to the doctor, he won't just cut your stomach. He'll ask you to go through a series of tests.
Yeah.
A CT scan, a sonography.
Yes.
So that is tarot. Tarot
Okay.
is a diagnostic tool.
Diagnostic tool.
And through that we come to know whether you really need healing or no.
Wow.
And getting into people's psyche leads you to going to the other realms of existence.
Okay.
That takes you.
That takes you on a higher notch.
Yeah, higher or into a different planet.
Yes, of course.
That helps, yeah.
Higher कहाँ है, different है, it's yes there.
Absolutely.
So जैसे आपको पता है कि ये मेरा जो शो है सोल टॉक, वो सोल और सोल के एम्पावरमेंट की बात करता है. तो when I was talking with you, you experience something which is called as near death experience.
Yeah.
तो मैंने बहुत पहले रिसर्च किया हुआ था इस टॉपिक पे, जब हमारी स्पिरिचुअलिटी का कॉल, जैसे आप बोलते हो अवेकनिंग आती है, कॉल आता है, एंड यू नो काइंड ऑफ डैबल इनटू सो मेनी थिंग्स. सो बहुत सी चीज़ें एक्सपीरियंस करी है, फॉर्चुनेटली ये चीज़ मैंने नहीं एक्सपीरियंस करी है।
You must experience it once. It's really nice.
आई डोंट नो,
Without a passport and visa, you go up to the seventh plane of existence and you come back.
कम बैक, या सो आई वांटेड टू नो बिकॉज बहुत से लोग हैं जिनको पता नहीं है, ये कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं पता है कि नियर डेथ एक्सपीरियंस क्या होता है। नियर डेथ एक्सपीरियंस हम एनडी, शॉर्ट फॉर्म में हम एनडीई बोलते हैं। तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्या होता है और ये जो चीज़ है हमारे सोल को कैसे एम्पावर करती है, तो हम पूरा एपिसोड इसके ऊपर लेंगे, अब ब्रेक डाउन करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले मुझे ये बताइए कि व्हाट इज़ नियर डेथ एक्सपीरियंस, कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है एक्चुअली, वो बताइए थोड़ा।
नियर डेथ एक्सपीरियंस हम उसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं। आपको अचानक कुछ एहसास होता है, आपको कुछ दर्द होता है, कोई पैल्पिटेशन होती है,
हाँ,
और आप फर्स्ट एड लेने जाते हो, मैं ठीक हो जाऊंगी, ठीक हो जाऊंगी।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
हो जाते हैं, आप ठीक हो जाते हैं। अपने डॉक्टर्स इतने अच्छे हैं,
या
बट जहाँ पे आप एक एनडीए में हो, आप एक दूसरी दुनिया में चले जाते हो एंड यू कैन नॉट स्टॉप योर सेल्फ। आपको वहीं पे नहीं, यू कम टू नो कि अभी आपका जाने का वक्त आ गया है।
यू मीन टू से यू एक्चुअली एक्सपीरियंस डेथ?
या
ओके।
अब हम क्योंकि ट्रेंड है तो हमको पता है कौन सा प्लेन, बट ऐसे भी अगर आम इंसान भी है, आपको एहसास होता है उस वक्त।
ओके,
डेफिनेटली गेट एन एहसास दैट थिंग्स आर नॉट नॉर्मल।
ओके,
और जैसे हम देखते हैं फिल्मों में वगैरह, वैसा कुछ नहीं है।
अच्छा,
यहाँ कि ओ दर्द हो रहा है और ओ सब कुछ भी नहीं है।
ओके,
आप बाकायदा सरेंडर करेंगे। और जितने लोग, जो मैंने तो कुछ देखा है, लाइक अक्सर लोगों का देखा है कि उनको एक आखिरी हिचकी आती है, या एक उल्टी आती है, और फिर उनकी सांस आसान हो जाती है। सो वी कैन, दे डोंट फाइट, दे डोंट टेल दैट आई डोंट वांट टू गो, दे जस्ट सरेंडर।
ओके,
तो हमने वही किया है।
ओके,
मैं एक किस्सा आपको बता दूं।
हाँ जी, प्लीज प्लीज। हाँ,
ये कुछ साल पहले की बात है, नॉट टू मच, जस्ट अभी अभी। तो मैं गई थी बांद्रा, एक टू मीट अ क्लाइंट, एक बिजनेस मीट था, मैं गई। और मैं प्रोफेशनली, मैं बहुत बदनाम हूँ, दैट प्रोफेशनली बहुत स्ट्रांग है।
तो बदनाम नहीं, ये तो नाम है।
इनफेमस है, या बट लोगों को नहीं अच्छा लगता है दैट आई एम टू मच इनटू माय वर्क।
ओके,
मीट शुरू हो गई है,
हाँ जी,
और मुझे कुछ एहसास होने लगा, समथिंग हैपेंड, आई सेड आई एम नॉट नॉर्मल। तो मैंने, मेरा जो बिजनेस पार्टनर था, उसको बोला यू कैरी ऑन, आई एम नॉट इन अ स्टेट, आई वांट टू गो होम।
ओके,
टैक्सी बुलाई, घर पहुंची हूँ, सोसाइटी में एंटर की हूँ,
हाँ जी,
और एक एम्बुलेंस खड़ी थी। एम्बुलेंस तो ऑब्वियस है। तो देखा तो लोग खड़े हैं, जो बैठे हैं लोग, तो आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड, मींस आज द सिक्योरिटी को, इतने सारे मर्द खड़े हैं, भैया क्या करना है? तो सिक्योरिटी ने बोला नहीं दीदी, वो एक लेडी थी, वो बुजुर्ग, वो गुजर गई है, फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे रहती है।
ओके,
अब मैं 6 माले पे रहती हूँ। अब मुझे जाना था लिफ्ट लेके। अब मैंने उसको पूछा भैया लेके जा रहे हैं या,
हाँ,
अदरवाइज यू नो अच्छा नहीं लगता,
अच्छा नहीं लगता, एग्जैक्टली।
तो उसने कहा कि नहीं वो देखो ना सामने पड़ी है उनकी बॉडी। आई सेड कहाँ? तो बोलते एम्बुलेंस में।
हाँ,
अब निर्जरा मैं आपको बताऊं, एम्बुलेंस इज देयर, बोथ द साइड में लोग बैठे हुए हैं रेडी टू टेक, और बीच में जैसे जो रखते हैं तो जनाजा
यस,
अर्थी जो
रखते हैं, हाँ जी।
आई कैन नॉट सी इट, इट्स नॉट देयर, इट्स नॉट देयर एट ऑल।
What?
एनीवेज, हाँ, मेरे सामने वो दरवाज़ा बंद हो गया, एग्जिट गेट से एम्बुलेंस चला गया। ऐसे छोड़ यार, जाने दे। मैं लिफ्ट पकड़ के ऊपर गई हूँ, एंड देयर द प्रोसेस स्टार्टेड। उस वक्त मेरा बेटा इंडिया में नहीं था, एंड आई लिव अलोन। एंड और इत्तेफाकन मेरे दोनों भी डॉक्टर्स उस वक्त सिटी में नहीं थे।
ओहो,
मेरे 2 डॉक्टर्स हैं, लाइक दे फ्रेंड्स बट दे आर डॉक्टर्स।
एब्सोल्युटली।
मैंने उनको कॉल किया, ऐसे डॉक्टर ऐसे ऐसा हो रहा है, तो दे आस्क्ड, ही आस्क्ड मी यू गॉट इंद्राल? आई सेड व्हाट इज इंद्राल? ही सेड नहीं, इट्स अ मेडिसिन।
ओके,
तो यू गिव द फोन टू बेटा जी? आई सेड बेटा जी तो इंडिया में नहीं है। हाँ, अच्छा ठीक है, आप फार्मेसी को बोल दो। मैंने फार्मेसी, दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल पीपल दैट एनडीए तो बाद में है, अगर आपको कभी कोई इमरजेंसी होती है, डोंट पैनिक।
ओके,
आप पैनिक करोगे किसी भी सिचुएशन में, वो चीज़ एग्रीवेट हो जाती है,
हाँ जी,
बिकॉज आप हेल्पलेस फील होते हो।
ओके,
सो यू डोंट हैव टू पैनिक, एंड दैट्स व्हाट हेल्प्स।
ओके,
इफ़ यू पैनिक यू एग्रीवेट द सिचुएशन। तो मैंने फार्मेसी वाले को कॉल किया, ऐसे ये अभी उसको भी पता है ये SOS की गोली है, मुझे तुरंत ला के देना है।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
इमीडिएटली ला के दे दिया, गोली खा लिया, एंड द प्रोसेस स्टार्टेड। दैट्स व्हेन दिस इज NDA, यू सरेंडर, यू नो यू कांट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट।
बट होता क्या है जब NDA शुरू होता है तो what is it that you experience at that point of time?
आपको लगता है कि आपके जिस्म से, आपके बॉडी से सारी ताकत चली जा रही है,
Okay.
आपको कोई दर्द नहीं है,
अच्छा, no pain.
न दर्द है न डर है, नथिंग.
अच्छा.
यू रिलीज, आप छोड़ देते हो अपने आप को. अंदर से एक समथिंग हैपेंस टू यू
Okay.
कि आप बिल्कुल नहीं, और फिर आप वो एक, आपको आपके आसपास का कुछ नहीं दिखाई देगा.
Okay.
देखिए आपका सेट काफी खूबसूरत है, मेरा घर भी एक म्यूजियम है, मुझे कुछ नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. आप उधर हो ही नहीं, ये एंटिक्स, ये आर्टिफैक्ट्स, ये नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं है.
Okay.
यू जस्ट गोइंग अप, यू नो यू आर देयर, आप यही कपड़ों में हो, सब कुछ है,
सब कुछ है.
यू आर जस्ट गोइंग अप.
And
और
you're
वो जो
floating.
माहौल है, या
You're floating.
एग्जैक्टली दैट्स द वर्ड.
Okay.
आप फ्लोट कर रहे हो, और वो जगह इतनी खूबसूरत है. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस. इट्स अ पर्ली, like we have the mother of pearl.
Yes, mother
It
of
has
pearl.
that one, like this watch of mine. ये mother of pearl है.
Okay.
पिंकिश ब्लूइश लाइट है. अब वहाँ पे जा रहे हो.
Okay.
अब ये पहला था मेरा इंस्टेंस. एंड देयर इज नो फॉर्म इन वॉट एवर यूर सीइंग, वॉट एवर इज द सुप्रीम फॉर्म, देयर इज नो फॉर्म, देयर इज सम लाइट. और मैं बाकायदा बात करना शुरू किया मैंने.
Okay.
आई जस्ट टोल्ड, आई सेड इफ इट्स माई टाइम टू कम, अब मत लेके जाना, बिकॉज मेरा बेटा इधर नहीं है. एंड आई डोंट वांट टू ट्रबल हिम. और मेरे पे जिम्मेदारियां बहुत है, बिकॉज जिम्मेदारी ऑफ माई क्लाइंट, मुझे वहाँ पे भी मुझे काम की ज़्यादा पड़ी है.
Oh my God.
हाँ, बिकॉज आई हैड माई अपॉइंटमेंट्स लाइंड अप, और वो बिजनेस मीट जो मैं छोड़ के आई हूँ,
Yes.
मुझे वो भी करना है भैया.
हाँ. Okay.
आई हैव टू डू दैट ऑल्सो. सो आई
So a lot of materialistic things is pulling you down.
द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी.
Responsibility, but material world, एक
Yeah.
spiritual world है,
Yeah,
तो
yeah,
आप
yeah,
you
yeah.
were in the spiritual realm, ऐसा बोल सकते हैं.
Exactly.
And you showed your commitment towards your materialistic world.
या एंड आई जस्ट टोल्ड, मुझे इतने जल्दी नहीं आना है.
Okay.
एंड आई इवन वेंट टू टेल दैट बिकॉज आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ ह्यूमर इन मी. अच्छा, वहाँ पे भी मेरा ह्यूमर नहीं चला गया. मैंने बोला मैं बीमार तो हूँ नहीं, तो मैं क्यों आऊँ? आई एम नॉट सिक, तो फिर मैं क्यों आऊँ? आई सेड आई डोंट वांट टू कम.
So
अब मुझे जाने दो.
so you can communicate.
या वी कैन कम्युनिकेट. यू कम टू दैट स्टेज,
Okay.
यू कैन कम्युनिकेट, बिकॉज
Okay.
आप में हिम्मत है ना.
ओके, सो हिम्मत होना. अच्छा, हाँ, बिकॉज बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि शायद, बिकॉज एक्सपीरियंस तो नहीं किया है, जितना पढ़ा है, व्हेन द डेथ इज अप्रोचिंग यू, यू आर वेरी ओवरवेल्म्ड. तो मुझे
नहीं, आप समझो इवन नॉर्मल लाइफ में आप कहीं, अभी जैसे हम सेट पे आ रहे हैं, आप कहीं सुनसान सड़क पे जा रहे हो, किसी चीज़ को फेस करोगे, कोई अच्छे किस्म के लोग भी नहीं होते हैं, आप उनसे डर जाओगे तो आप तो और आप प्रॉब्लम कर रहे हो. आप उनको समझो, आप उनको फेस करो. भैया मुझे जाने दो, लेट मी गो, आई हैव गॉट माई वर्क टू डू, अंडरस्टैंड द सिचुएशन.
ओके.
सो व्हेन यू कम टू दिस स्टेज, आप में हिम्मत बाकायदा आ जाती है.
बट जिनका फर्स्ट टाइम, जैसे फर्स्ट टाइम जब आपका
ये
हुआ
मेरा ही
था,
फर्स्ट ही था.
ये तो अभी अप्रैल, अच्छा, ये वाला जो तो फर्स्ट टाइम
फर्स्ट
था.
था, ये 2017 की बात है.
कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज ऑन द अदर साइड? व्हाट डिड यू सी वहाँ? क्या होता है वहाँ पे एक्चुअली? बिकॉज ये बहुत इंट्रिगिंग है, और ये हमारे व्यूअर्स भी डेफिनेटली जानना चाहेंगे कि क्या है वहाँ पे, कैसा फील होता है, व्हाट इज इट, यू नो?
सी, अभी तक जो हमने पढ़ा था किताबों में, मैगजीन्स में, दैट देयर इज अ टनल एंड देयर इज अ लाइट एंड यू पास ऑन इट विद अ स्पीड ऑफ 500 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर.
Yes, yes.
वो सब कुछ नहीं है.
अच्छा.
You're just floating, and you know we're trained like that, and still we say ऊपर 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 चल. There is no ऊपर.
नहीं है.
There is no ऊपर. That's all over here. It's on this way only. Only thing you're going to another place.
So
हम कोई सीढ़ी चढ़ के ऊपर नहीं जा रहे हैं.
So you're here, but not here.
You're not here. You're in some other place, and the land is like, अब समझो for example अगर मैं describe करूँ, आप बादलों के बीच में हो. आपने कभी अरुणोदय देखा है? एक तो सूर्योदय है, जहाँ पे सूरज की पहली किरण, बट ये जो अरुणोदय आता है,
हाँ.
जहाँ पे जिसको ब्रह्म मुहूर्त बोलते हैं,
हाँ जी.
जहाँ पे जो परिंदे हैं उनकी पहले जो कूक होती है, वो रोशनी को होती है देख के.
ओके.
जब मस्जिदों में मुएज्जिन जब भी अजान देता है,
हाँ.
वो पहली किरण से होता है.
Okay.
सूरज निकलने से पहले, सूर्योदय से पहले,
जस्ट बिफोर द बिगनिंग ऑफ द सन.
उस वक्त जो आसमान का कलर है,
हाँ जी.
आप वो आसमान को देख लीजिए.
ओके.
दैट इज दैट कलर.
ओके.
इट्स वर्जिन, इट्स प्योर.
ओके.
या देयर इज नो.
आकाशिक.
इट्स आकाशिक, एग्जैक्टली.
ओके.
आपकी किताब में भी तो है आकाशिक
हाँ जी.
and I love your book.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank
Yeah,
you
you
so
have
much.
written so much on that.
Yeah.
It's that place.
Okay.
There is no dark tunnel. There's nothing scary.
Okay.
क्यों स्कैरी? हम यहाँ पे पृथ्वी पे अर्थ पे हमने इतना स्कैरी चीजें हमने देखी, और वहाँ पे तो आपको तो यू कैन स्टॉप.
Okay. So there is nothing scary over
Nothing
there.
at all.
Everything is light. Everything
is nice.
Yeah. And अच्छा, आपको महसूस क्या हो रहा था जब आप वहाँ पे थे in that other world, what you call it? वही बोलते हैं शायद, other world ही बोलते
Yeah,
होंगे.
the other world.
तो वहाँ पे what were you feeling? मतलब कुछ सुकून.
आई गेव अप. आई सर मुझे ये जगह अच्छी लग रही है.
हैं?
या यू विल नॉट फाइट, बिकॉज कहाँ पे आप झगड़ा करो? यू विल फाइट इन ट्रैफिक. जहाँ पे ट्रैफिक ही नहीं है, ये पूरा जहाँ आपका है, आप क्या करोगे?
अच्छा.
देयर इज नो ट्रैफिक ओवर देयर. देयर आर नॉट पीपल. नो हॉन्किंग.
Okay.
Nothing at all. That's just surrender.
So there are no humans.
Nothing.
So there is no drama.
Nothing at all. There's no drama.
So
There's
no
nothing.
karma, no drama,
Nothing.
no
There's
nothing.
only a transient light. That is where you have come. Where Shrishti ka jo,
हाँ.
the beginning of Shrishti,
The source.
the source.
The source.
So where it begins, right?
हाँ.
Yeah.
So you are there
You're there. Yeah.
and you're feeling
Tranquil,
heavenly,
wonderful.
tranquil,
I don't
tranquil.
want to come back. But then because of my responsibilities,
वो जो कश्मकश होगी आपकी, बिकॉज एक चीज़ है जो हमको बहुत सुकून दे रही है, हमको अच्छा लग रहा है, वी वॉन्ट टू बी लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर इन अ 5-star होटल एंड यू आर रियली इंजॉइंग दैट प्लेस, एंड फिर आपको जाके काम करना है आपके जो भी रियलिटी में है, तो वो कश्मकश के बीच में मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल माइट बी नॉट कमिंग बैक.
yeah.
Is it safe to say that?
Yes, yes, yes. Because see, not everybody has an ND.
Okay.
Most of them, तुम्हारा वक्त आ गया, तुम चले गए.
चले गए.
But जो चले गए हैं, they are not able to tell you what has happened.
Okay.
उनके ऊपर तो हमने प्रेस किए हैं उनकी आत्मा की शांति के लिए.
Right.
तो वो तो वापस आके बोल नहीं सकते, बट उनके साथ भी यही चीज हो गया है.
हाँ.
बट दे हैव गॉन बिकॉज उनका वक्त नहीं आया है ना आने का.
Okay.
उनका वक्त नहीं आया. बट दिस इज जो एहसास होता है, हम वो गिने चुने कुछ लोग हैं जो वापस आ जाते हैं.
Exactly, because डेफिनेटली कोई है ही नहीं बताने के लिए, क्योंकि सारे तो उस पार चले जाते हैं, वट एवर दैट इज, यू नो, लाइक एज यू आर सेइंग इट इज अ लाइट एंड इज योर बैक विद द सोर्स, इट्स लाइक गोइंग बैक होम. तो हम यहाँ पे जैसे अर्थ पे आते हैं, जर्नी करने आते हैं, कुछ कर्म जो भी हमारा रीज़न होता है, फॉर वट एवर रीज़न वी आर ऑन अर्थ, हम आके वो हमारा काम करके फिर हम चले जाते हैं वापस. और वो एग्जैक्टली अगर जैसे बोलना चाहे तो फ्रॉम अ वुमेन्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि भाई ये अर्थ शायद ससुराल है, और व्हेन यू गो बैक टू योर माइका,
यू गो बैक टू वेयर यू हैव कम फ्रॉम,
वेयर यू कम फ्रॉम.
And because I told my, acha, the first time it's a new experience. You don't know how it is.
Yeah.
Second time when it happened, that time थोड़ा तो भैया ये फिर से मुझे हो रहा है.
हाँ.
अब की बार आऊँ क्या नहीं? But I came back.
Okay.
Second time, of course, because see, it's like a woman when she gives birth to a child.
Yes.
First child is it's a great, because you don't know what
You
you're going
don't
through.
know, exactly.
Second time, you know how much of pains are you going to take.
I think, but the second experience
It's
is always the
it's-
toughest.
It's the toughest one.
Yes, yeah.
Because you know what you have been
Yeah.
through.
First time the fear of
First
unknown है ना. हाँ.
Even when I gave birth to my child,
Yes,
so yeah, I didn't know what's happening, but हो गया. Second time में नहीं होती हिम्मत, because I know I have to go through that.
So when I did bungee jumping for the first time, वो थोड़ा
You did
adventure, वो थोड़ा adventure spirit था, वो कर दिया. अब हिम्मत ना हो पाए. अब
that
नहीं
time
होती
you
है.
don't know what's
Exactly, हाँ. So when you are there, you must have experienced some energies, because I think so. Just when we were, I've heard also that once you come back from an NDE experience, which is a very rare thing, बहुत ही rare होता है NDE experience करना life में. But अगर मैं first time की बात कर रही हूँ, तो जब आप NDE आपका हुआ और अब जब वापस आप आए, what changes and shifts you started seeing in life?
That's a wonderful question you asked me. The changes are amazing, because as you said, what happens over there, you're oblivion to what happens over there. आपको नहीं पता है, सिर्फ वो सिचुएशन या मैंने बताया ऐसा है, बट उसके बाद जो चेंजेस आते हैं,
हाँ जी.
अब में बड़ा इजाफा आता है, अब बहुत चेंजेस आ जाते हैं.
Okay.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू लर्न टू अप्रिशिएट लाइफ ऑन अ प्रैक्टिकल नोट पे.
Absolutely.
आपको जिंदगी मिली है दोबारा.
Yes, actually.
ना मिलेगी बहुत सौ को होता है, हमको मिली है दोबारा.
exactly.
और ये तो मेरे साथ तो 2 बार हो चुका है, बट इवन 5वीं. There is some change that happens, because मैंने वो ठान ली थी मुझे वापस आना है, मुझे काम है, एंड आई हैव टू लिव अप टू दैट प्रॉमिस व्हाट आई हैव टोल्ड. एंड देयर इज अ चेंज बिकॉज उसमें फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द zest for living is much better.
Much better.
And you start living your life much better. You're a kind of a survivor. अब जिस वजह से मुझे हुआ था, अब मुझे उस चीज़ को दोहराना नहीं है. आई हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ माई हेल्थ बिकॉज दिस इज़ अ गिफ्ट दैट आई हैव गॉट फ्रॉम खुदा से मिल गया. एंड इट हैज़ ऑल्सो, आई डोंट नो इफ यू विल बिलीव और हाउ इट इज़, बट it changes your working capability, you know, the capabilities of yours. You start working better. It's not something of a powers you have got, a shakti or something, but no, you become a better person because you've traveled so far ना. जैसे किसी का बच्चा है MBA करने के लिए US चला गया, वो और qualified होके आ गया.
Okay, so you
get better
downloaded
qualified.
something into your
it came
system.
into me and I got more qualified, and that's when, because उसके बाद के I've seen my cases were much better.
Okay.
They were much better.
So when you are there, if I've understood it correctly, so time again is a construct which is there on this earth. What you went, you transcended higher. Okay.
Yeah.
तो वहाँ पे तो कोई टाइम का कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं, टाइम एंड स्पेस का कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं है.
You don't know 10.5 hours
Yeah,
कैसे
so
गए.
वही मैं बोल रही हूँ कि आपके लिए शायद वो you might have just gone and come back, but वो पूरा प्रोसेस अर्थ के टाइम के हिसाब से 10.5 घंटे चला
Indian
था.
Standard Time,
या इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम के हिसाब से 10.5 घंटे चले होंगे, ठीक है.
Yeah.
बट फॉर दैट इवन यू नो दैट ब्लिंक ऑफ गोइंग एंड कमिंग बैक, कहीं तो आपका सोल कहीं कुछ कनेक्ट किया होगा.
Yeah.
तभी आप उस चीज को लेके आए हो ना, बिकॉज आप कहीं जा रहे हो, रिटर्न गिफ्ट भी तो लेके आते हो ना.
Definitely.
तो व्हाट रिटर्न गिफ्ट्स, not the right word or the correct word, but the concept कि क्या आप आपके साथ लेके आए, what do you feel, because that you would have not understood it immediately, but जैसे 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 टाइम जाता है वैसे आप में changes.
Because the first thing that happened to me after the first NDE was that I got nominated to write my PhD, and I didn't know उसके पहले that हमारे country में टैरो में PhD होता है, but of course I got it from a university outside India.
Okay.
And I said PhD, हमने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. PhD लिखे, but first time of course it took me time to sink in.
Okay.
PhD लिखना है. So this was something, a major shift, that your creativity or your experience, your research has come into being validated on paper.
Yeah.
तो वो तो एक बड़ी चीज़ हो गई. It's a major thing.
Having a PhD is major thing.
Yeah, तो जैसे लोग MBA करने के लिए US जाते, हमने ये कर लिया.
Okay.
And then of course they gave me the syllabus and everything and nominated.
Yes,
I gave it a year. This is the first major, and that is because of my research. With due respect to my teachers, but then my research into the tarot, we come to that.
Yeah.
I've researched a lot.
Okay.
There's everything under the sun that can be diagnosed and it can be solved.
So your soul somewhere got some powers.
You call it powers?
वही होगा.
I call it knowledge.
Knowledge or power,
Yeah.
but something which was not there, but after you went
बहुत
there,
फर्क पड़ता है.
हाँ, when you went there, something you downloaded.
Yeah.
Yeah, the soul was expanded.
The soul. My God, you're putting it up in such like maybe I'm not able to tell, but yeah.
No, but I'm sensing that.
Even earlier, thanks to whatever we do, like the success rate has always been good.
Okay.
But now we are apt to dealing with more complicated cases.
Okay.
Healing, it comes from the heart, and you get that healing touch. That yes, आपने सिर्फ बोल दिया हो जाएगा और हो जाता है.
That you downloaded from
Yeah,
source.
because see, you think from the heart. Even
Yes.
when I teach my students,
Yes.
the first day before the syllabus starts,
Yes.
I teach them you have to understand the
Yes.
pain that each client comes to you. You have to empathize. अब जब तक empathize नहीं करेंगे बच्चा, how will the person know?
Person move ahead. True.
You have to do that thing. So I tell them you have to first understand pain. And this pain, how we understood, because we went up there, हमने दर्द को महसूस किया और तब हम उसको कर रहे हैं.
Okay.
So that helps.
So
and
your,
then the success rate begins.
so your experience
Yeah.
also mattered along with the knowledge and your own intuition power combination is creating a unique frequency within you, if I have understood it right.
Yeah, because we are understanding humans now in a very different light.
way. Okay, so now I'll move to another level. when you were there, did you see any of your loved beings, angels? We have heard a lot, and there are so many people. So of course, आपने जैसे बोला पिक्चरों में दिखाते हैं ये वो, but बहुत से लोगों के जो इंडी एक्सपीरियंसेस जितना मैंने पढ़ा था, they see a lot of their own loved beings and all of that. तो what is it? How is the scene? Who are those people there? अगर आप देखते हो उनको तो.
Yeah, see, when on my journey back, when I was coming back,
हाँ.
to be honest, like
Yes.
I had a glimpse of my parents and my dadi.
Okay.
My dadi Jan, yeah. I had a
Okay.
glimpse of her
Okay.
and my parents. I had a glimpse of them.
Okay.
And that has been a recurring dream in my life till date.
Oh, okay.
Each time I am under some trauma, my dadi Jan or my ammi and abbu, they come in my dream. Like I'll tell you how it was. It happened, and this has something to do with that. You're probing me wonderful questions.
Thank you.
Once I got a dream that I have to go somewhere there, and there's a lot of water, and लोग सब किनारे पे खड़े हैं, बीमार बूढ़े सब हैं, और मुझे तो जाना है. And I know हम वहाँ जाएंगे तो सब डूब जाएंगे.
हाँ.
और वहाँ से अम्मी आ जाती है, and she says, यहाँ देख, यहाँ पे तो पूरी घास पड़ी है.
अच्छा.
Yeah, and she said, तू इधर से चली जा. And I went through that, and the rest of the people are still, I don't know if they're drowned or they're there. So they are the people who have passed away.
Okay.
And I have found this way through the Hari Ghas, because Ami showed me that the घास वहाँ पे है.
So when you were in that experience, you were saved by your mom or your, Dadi
Yeah.
Jan and their energies, their blessings, all of that. So that also plays a very integral part in
Definitely.
ND. When you went there, okay, you did not experience your human body.
Yeah.
You were completely in your soul consciousness.
Yeah, yeah.
आपके अपने soul के उसमें ही थे आप. When you were there and then when you come back now, how would you say that, बहुत सी चीज़ें हमने जो अपनी लाइफ में, we are having lot of fears or we are having lot of patterns or we are having lot of conditioning. तो ये पूरा अब जब वहाँ पे होते हो,
निकल जाता है.
because वो तो होता ही नहीं है.
Everything comes out.
So
No inhibitions.
no inhibitions.
No inhibitions.
Okay.
Then you start living a non-judgmental, non-biased life.
Okay.
Yeah. जैसे हम साधु संतों को पहले पूछते थे, ये तो चोला है, ये क्या, they have sense, we never
Yes.
take them seriously. ज्ञान दे रहा है यार, वो तो ज्ञान दे रहा है.
हाँ.
No.
हाँ.
That's when you realize, because each time if I have gone there and I've come back,
Yes.
I would tell my family, यार कोई नहीं मेरे पास, अरे तू तो strong है ना, अरे बहुत strong है यार, I want to be weak also. No, you're strong enough, you can do it.
But that confidence
निकल
is
जाते
also
हैं.
coming because you have
Been there,
There.
आप लोग नहीं गए हो.
हाँ, तो आपका वो कुछ डाउनलोड हुआ तो मतलब हम you're not more fearful now. You
Not
don't
at
have
all.
fears.
I would also like to add that birth is, you don't choose your parents.
Right.
Death is inevitable. You have to go.
Absolutely.
This thing should be taught in your school academics. हमने इतने लोगों से सुना है और इतना सिनेमा देखा दैट मौत पेनफुल है. नहीं है, यू हैव टू फेस इट बाबा. आपको तो फेस तो करना है उसको. तो इसके बारे में पीपल शुड पुट इन द अवेकनिंग.
Yes.
अभी पिछले आई थिंक 25 सालों से कंप्यूटर्स आ गए हैं क्लासेस में, बिकॉज फॉर योर बेटरमेंट ऑफ योर एजुकेशन. एनवायरनमेंट के बारे में बहुत करें, ग्रीन एनवायरनमेंट है, सेक्स एजुकेशन हैज कम इन,
Yes,
जो हमारे टाइम पे 40 साल पहले नहीं
नहीं
था.
था.
Even that should be a part of your academics. Learn how to face it so that people में वो stress factor निकल जाएगा, डर निकल जाएगा, और एक बार डर निकल जाएगा तो उसके आगे तो जीत है. And you'll do much better than that.
It's so interesting and I'm also now intrigued, because आप बार-बार जहाँ पे जाते हो, एक तो it sounds like an adventure. Though the experience and the fears and emotions वो बहुत अलग level पे है, but this is something very different.
Yeah, that was a little frightening.
Okay.
Yeah, because that time I had my son with me.
Okay.
It was that one day again, and something happened to me. Something was getting. I was turning cold,
Okay.
getting blue. This blue of my outfit was
Yes.
like that.
Okay.
First thing that I just told my son, something is wrong with me. कुछ हो रहा है.
हाँ.
तो we took out the BP machine, लगा दिया, oximeter लगा दिया, everything is normal.
Right.
So just call up to my doctor, and because my physician, my GP has a clinic as well as a nursing home.
Okay.
So we just told him, just keep a bed ready. And I said, he started panicking, my son. I said, don't panic. Just don't panic. It's a kilometer away. Panic mat karna. I picked up the basics, what I do,
Right.
utha diya. We went to the hospital, and before I was there, everybody, the battalion is waiting for me. The nurses, the doctor, and यहाँ पे कोई ECG लगा रहा है, यहाँ पे IV लगा रहा है. That's the first aid they're giving.
Yes.
Now the first 30 minutes are very crucial.
Okay. Yeah, for
And
any
this
treatment. Yes.
was a painful episode because this time I thought I will not make it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm fighting to survive because there's nothing wrong with me. Touch wood, there is no ailment, but I was fighting to survive. That I've nothing of an adventure, nothing, because I know now I'm seriously going. I think this time I won't be spared.
Must be scary.
Yeah, it was scaring. It was more scaring because my young son was panicked. He was scared that what's happening to mama, and the doctors are doing their great job. They put up the IV, they did this thing, then the 2D echo was done, everything was done. Now I'm left to myself.
Yeah.
And the room was there, my son is sitting. I just told him, just go out. I want to sleep for a while. Switch off the lights. Now this is the time when I knew I'm going.
Okay.
This is the time when I realized, ab ki baar nahi.
Acha.
Now I'm going.
Okay.
And I just slept straight, dim light hai, and I know I'm going away. I could feel that I'm
Okay.
going.
The energy.
Before I could even go up to that state, my son entered the room, tiptoe. What I did, I just shut my eyes. So he thought mom is sleeping. I didn't want him to see the pain what I'm going through, because this time it was painful.
Okay.
Yeah. Although I'm surrendering, I said no,
Yes.
but I knew this time it's come.
Okay.
And that wasn't that easy.
Okay.
First one was an adventure, second, theek hai. This one was, and he was I just pretended, because when he saw that mom is sleeping, he thought not to disturb her.
Right.
He tiptoed back out of the room.
Okay.
And now I'm left to fend for myself that aage kya. The last what I could see of my child, and I thought this will not work. Now it's
Okay.
time for me to go. And I stopped thinking everything. I gave up. And I literally said the kalma, the last prayer that we say before dying.
Dying. Okay.
And that was very painful.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
and that's when I realized why people cry when somebody dies.
Dies.
Because
Yes.
marne wala bhi rota hai.
Is it?
Yeah. I cried that time.
Okay.
I cried.
Okay. Are you okay, Dr. Kiran, now?
Yeah, I'll be okay. I'm fine. I'm okay.
You've done it before, so.
Yeah, but this time wasn't that easy. It wasn't
Okay.
that bright. It was a bit dark.
Okay.
काफी गहराइयाँ थी इसमें.
Okay.
It was dark.
It was painful also.
Yeah, so I think this time it was that you're more closer to death.
Okay.
And the darkness जो मैंने contradict किया था पहले,
हाँ.
light, pearly light नहीं है. अब की बार it was
Darkness.
getting deeper.
Okay.
I think I was getting more into that plane. You're getting into shunya.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, can you share, because this is kind of another experience, which is also the other side,
Absolutely.
and this is a very different experience.
Yeah.
So, what was that?
Now, this time it was that I was not even feeling that floating feeling. I'm just going inside, and I know this is getting darker. The light, pearly light ceased
Okay.
to be. Now I'm getting into deeper, though of course it's not a tunnel,
Yeah.
but that lighting was getting dark,
Okay.
closer to dusk. It was getting dark. जैसे जो बोलते हैं हमारे जीवन की शाम हो गई है,
हाँ
it's
जी,
like that.
हाँ
It
जी,
was
okay.
getting darker.
Okay.
The lights, everything was getting darker.
Okay. So, when it was dark, did you experience anybody? Did you see anything else? Matlab, because that's a different realm now. What we had gone was a different
No,
realm
that time I could see some people who have really crossed over.
in this dark.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I said. This one was more emotional, of course, not frightening, but this time I could feel some people who have already crossed over. Now the reality that now you're going to live there,
Okay.
and that is not so good.
No.
No.
Scary.
Yeah, it's tough
Okay, it's tough.
because you're going to be alone.
Okay.
You're going to be alone over there, and that's not a holiday.
Okay.
You have to make this as your abode now, the place where you're going to live now. And it's not bright. Anything bright makes you feel happy.
Happy, absolutely.
But when when the lights are dim, it's getting dusk.
So, like we have a concept of heaven and hell, okay, which is, and we have a concept of black and white, and the concept of yin and yang, the Shiv Shakti principle. Again, I'm seeing that, once you went, which was something which was very bright and very light and very beautiful, and we here, which is something again which is very dark and little scary, So, where do you think? I mean, I'm sure you have understood that this is also something that you have to learn or adapt, though you may be fearful about the whole thing now looking on the hindsight. Of course, at that moment तो शायद आपको बहुत ही अलग फील हुआ होगा, which normal people जब when they are experiencing death उनको यही feel हो रहा होगा जब जो आपको फिलहाल feel हुआ
During
है.
the third episode.
Then third episode,
The
yes.
first was like you're just traveling, you don't know what's happening, and that
Right.
is, it's an experience. You're going up, and आपको अच्छा लगा.
हाँ.
Second was दोबारा यही हो रहा है मेरे साथ में. It's happening all over again.
So
The
which
third,
means
the third is when you're coming closer to
okay.
that crossing over.
Okay.
Crossed it much more.
So there is okay. So you mean to say that first there is light, then there is dark, then there is light.
It gets darker.
It gets darker.
It gets darker.
Okay. And what is at the end of the dark? I mean, have you experienced kuch?
I had to go there, but I think I was sent back.
Okay.
And that I sensed how, because I got a tap on my shoulder.
Okay.
My son came and asked, "Mom, are you okay?"
Okay.
And I don't know how many hours was that.
Again.
Yeah, I didn't know there were how many hours because I had asked him to switch off the light and so okay. I was mentally prepared. When I got this tap, "Mom, are you okay?" was that when the calling came that now go back, you're not invited now. But I have tasted that, I've seen that.
Okay.
I was that close to being there. It was that close.
Or rather, I would just say that your soul chose certain places to go, and every time you go, you bring something. So maybe you went into the darkness or the shunya or the zero field, and you got something from there also.
Yeah, I got it because that way, after each of my something, as I said, something good happens.
Hanji.
I've even had I can say, a better awakening of understanding people and souls and what do you call them, angels and the other entities of existence, because आप उनके इलाके में गए हो.
Hanji.
You've been there. You're not just reading them out of books or angel cards or whatever. No, you've been there.
You're experiencing it.
Yeah, and the ones who have not come back, they are experiencing it full on.
Okay.
Then you've got people who are in a comatose for a longer time.
Yes. Yes.
Some sports people,
Yes.
they meet with an accident and they're for years or months together. So
Together.
probably they are into that stance of just being over there.
And they could
And
be
they're not even crossing over and they're not even being sent back.
Yeah, so I know for a fact that people are in coma for since you brought that out, people in coma for 10 years, 12
Yeah.
years, 15 years. And I always used to wonder, because my own grandmother, she went into coma. And it was a very painful situation for me to see my grandmom lying in a hospital in a coma state. And you always want to always see your grandparents very lively, and she was very lively and vivacious. So to see her sleeping there, it kind of intrigued me into a lot of questions that where is her soul right now, because I would call out to her,
Why
I
can't
would-
she listen to me?
Exactly.
Why can't you
yeah,
hear me?
why
Yeah.
is she not reacting it? Like if I'm talking, the voice is going somewhere,
Yeah.
But why is the soul not responding? Like, I mean, definitely the soul is might have checked out or might have not checked out. That is what I was understanding, and that kept me intrigued for a very long time. And that was a question that I had put up at the universe, and finally I'm getting an answer through you. So what happens?
What
to
was
this-
she doing there at
Yes,
that time?
yes.
When
What?
she
Where
is
was
lying,
my grandmom when she was
yeah,
in
because
coma?
medically she's termed as she's in coma.
Right.
But what is she doing there? Can she
Yeah.
listen to us? Can
Yeah,
she? Because
yeah.
she's not paralyzed.
Yeah.
God forbid, if a person is paralyzed, they are unable to move physically. उनकी
Yes.
body नहीं move करती, but they can listen, they can understand, they can
Yeah.
even blink at times.
Right.
But what are they doing there? So they are doing this, what I have done. They are on to their journey.
On the journey.
Yeah, how many light years you don't know. That is why how many years you don't know.
Yeah. Because
For me,
once-
it has been hours, and
Yes.
when I was alone, I told you this 10 hours, but
Yes.
this time I have no clue because I just don't know. And I was surrendered to पहले भी किया था, but this time I knew I'm going.
Going.
I'm not going to come back.
So all those people who are, let's say, for in coma for months, okay, forget
They're
years.
there.
They're
there. Yeah.
Okay.
And when they feel that sometimes people die through a coma. कॉमा में जाते ही वे आफ्टर सम इयर्स पता चलता है ये मर भी गए, ये कॉमा से ही मर गए,
Yes.
बाहर नहीं निकलते हैं.
हाँ,
फिर उनका डिपार्चर वहीं से चला जाता है.
So yes, I lost my uncle the same way. So the death is a subject which stirs my soul up very much, because then there are so many questions that I have to ask,
Yeah.
So death is one of the most scary, and whenever I experience a death of a closed one, something shakes within me, something changes within me, So I lost my uncle, and he was in coma, and he just left from there. And in my mind, I always used to think, does he even know that he's there or not?
Yeah.
Or has he checked out? I lost a very dear friend. She was in a state of an operation, and the operation failed, and she expired on the table. So when she was in that anesthetic state, and of course she was looking to come back, that death actually haunts me. I mean, still this death of my friend haunts
Yeah.
me, because I'm still trying to understand the journey of the soul. That she went with the mind concept that she is going for her operation and she's going to come out of it, but she didn't come out.
Yeah.
Or my uncle did not come out. He came out of the operation and then he went into the state of coma. My grandmother was so all these three deaths kind of really intrigued me. So when you are in that state, when you are in the anesthetic state, does the soul know that soul
No.
is checking out?
I've been through a general anesthesia where you're there under anesthetic effect for 2.5, 3 hours.
Yes.
I've been under that, but that's not this. It's like the anesthetic, the doctors are very kind to you. They won't make you feel. They'll just put in the injection and
so
they're
I know
nice
you
and sweet
lose
to
your
you.
consciousness.
And it's a blink. आपने आंखें बंद किया और आपने आंखें खोल दिया.
हाँ.
There's no journey in that.
But when the
Coma is
soul
a journey.
checks out,
Coma is a journey. Coma is a journey. Coma में आप चले जाते हो उसमें.
so you are in that.
Yeah, because I could see some people there and they had already crossed over and I am like very near to them. Yeah. That's when you realize pain. It's not being scared. That's when you realize the pain. That it's not proper.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you heard your son.
Yeah, because I think probably I was sent back and that maybe one prayer worked.
Yes.
You must have prayed for my
Dua.
mom. Yeah,
Yeah,
dua
yeah.
lag jati hai.
Yes.
And he just nudged me, Mom, are you okay? अब मुझे नहीं पता, it took me how many hours to I didn't
do
check
that.
because
Yes, of course,
on the phone in the hospital you don't have a phone, you don't have
You
a
don't
watch,
have anything. Yes.
you don't
yes.
have anything.
Right.
And that's when I came back, and that was one episode that was startling. Yeah, it made me get up that it's not something to be taken.
So after you came back from that space, बहुत scary रहा आपका
Yeah.
पूरा experience and all of that. This time also something must have changed in you. आप because हर time आप NDA आपका होता है, कहीं ना कहीं सुना भी है, आपके साथ हमने उसको वैलिडेट भी कर दिया है कि हमारे अंदर बहुत चेंजेस आ जाते हैं, हम थोड़े और इवॉल्व हो जाते हैं, सोल एक्सपैंड हो जाता है, हमारे गिफ्ट्स एक्सपैंड होते हैं. तो इस बार आप क्या गिफ्ट लेके आए आपके साथ में?
इस बार गिफ्ट, आप उसे गिफ्ट कहिए पता नहीं, बिकॉज इस बार मैं वो डार्क साइड में चली गई थी, अंधेरे में चली गई थी, जहाँ पे वहाँ से लोग अक्सर नहीं आते वापस, बट वहाँ पे मुझे एक सीखने मिला है. अब मैं आइडेंटिफाई कर सकती हूँ कि ये जीवित है और ये ऑलरेडी मर चुके हैं, ये एक आत्मा है।
सॉरी
या आपने सही सुना है। अब मुझे पता चल रहा है, आप ही के जैसे ये आप हो, आप जीवित हो, और ये जो आपके बाजू में जो खड़ा है या खड़ी है,
हाँ,
दिस इज अ डेड पर्सन, इट्स अ सोल।
ओके, कैन यू सी दैट?
या वी कैन, एंड यू डोंट हैव टू फॉलो दैट थिंग, सफेद कपड़े लंबे बाल है, वो सब नहीं है। दे आर इन दैट क्लोज एंड व्हाट दे हैव डाइड।
And how did you know that you have this gift now?
सिचुएशन ऐसी बन जाती है।
अच्छा,
मैं आपको बताती हूँ, गोश्त को ज़रूरी नहीं आपको ये सब चीज़ों में देखो, कॉन्टैक्ट लेंसेज एंड ऑल, नथिंग। एक बार का किस्सा बता रही हूँ। बॉम्बे के आउटस्कर्ट्स में एक जगह है शीलफाटा।
yes,
इट्स अ चौराहा।
right,
उसमें से आई थिंक एक रास्ता जाता है पनवेल के लिए, गोवा जाते हैं आप जहाँ पे, एक जाता है कल्याण, एक नवी मुंबई, और एक वापस बॉम्बे की तरफ आता है चौराहा। उस जगह पे मैं एक रात को, मैं सुनसान में आ रही थी, आई एंड माई ड्राइवर इन द कार, लॉक्ड अप, इट वाज अ नाइस ड्राइव, लेट नाइट, आई थिंक तकरीबन इट वाज अबाउट 3:30 इन द नाइट।
3-3:30 को रात को आपको डर नहीं लगता?
मैं ऑलरेडी वहाँ से गुजर के आ चुकी हूँ फ्रॉम द डार्क, आई बीन देयर टू द डार्क एंड आई
हाँ, आप तो अंधेरे से आए हो। ओके,
come to the extent I've been of darkness.
yes,
So he's driving, I'm sitting at the back, and he noticed, like we noticed a child, 10 साल का बच्चा, वो स्कूल का बैग लेके, बस्ता लेके, he's walking on the road with his school uniform.
3:30 बजे रात को?
Yeah, that's what I said. How you can identify the situation अलग है।
हाँ,
He's a normal बच्चा।
ओके, तो आप जा रहे थे?
Yeah, so my driver asked me that saying, ma'am, should we give him a lift? I said no.
ओके,
आप बस जाइए, आप टर्न मत कीजिए, आप चले जाइए। इसे बट मैम, नहीं ऐसे मैं बता रही हूँ ना आपको बाद में क्या है। नाउ दिस 10 साल का बच्चा इज प्रोबेबली द वन हु हैज बीन हिट बाय एन एक्सीडेंट एट दैट पर्टिकुलर स्पॉट।
oh,
Yeah,
and you could identify it, you could see
yeah,
that?
because the situation is so unnatural. If it's a 6:30 in the morning, we can understand in small towns where they don't have a school bus, children often they walk to school. Still it happens in India. But then this is at 3:30 in the night. I'm not talking about the devil's hour, but 3:30 बजे रात को कोई 10 साल का बच्चा स्कूल का बैग लेके कैसे जा सकता है? And as we have grown up being told that कभी पलट के नहीं देखना.
Right.
Now there's a reason पलट के नहीं देखना, whether it is human being or even if it's a stray dog.
Yes.
Because आप पलट के देखते हो, you give them a signal that follow me, I have got a solution for what you want.
Okay.
Now probably a stray dog is hungry. आप पलट के
Hungry,
देखोगे,
yeah.
you signal him. He doesn't know your language. He knows that maybe she has some biscuits to give me some food.
Food. Yes.
And the souls, they are getting the signal that come on, if you want life, I am there for you.
Okay.
And they start following you. And then what you call it is
So
something else.
आपने पलट के नहीं देखा, आप
नहीं, I
निकल गए
moved, yeah.
fast.
It may be sounding so inhuman.
No.
Yeah, but that's not.
But
it's
maybe
not.
that vision has come to you to identify.
This is not
the
the
logic part भी एक था कि भाई 3:30 बजे रात को बच्चा नहीं हो सकता है, वो एक तो लॉजिकल पार्ट भी हो सकता है।
Yeah.
बट विजन भी शायद होगा आपको।
Yeah, because I was not being inhuman of not giving a lift. See, अगर ये बच्चा 8 बजे होता था मॉर्निंग में, probably I would have given him a lift. But at that time, no.
Okay. And after that you must have had
I'll tell you a very good example. Now,
Yeah.
I live in a society, in a housing society.
Right.
आप भी रहते होगे?
Yes, yes, housing
Of course, even if you got a bungalow or whatever.
Yeah, Bombay is mostly housing society.
Definitely.
Yeah,
Kabhi
yeah.
abhi, because I am a late sleeper, I have a problem with sleep. I sleep by 2:33, but 6:30 I have to get up because I'm a night owl as well as a morning person.
That is also something very unique.
Yeah, for me 3.5-4 hours is enough of sleep, and that is dead sleep.
Okay.
But I love to be awake.
Okay.
Now, often I'm awake, so then I come out of my bedroom, I come to the kitchen, I make my green tea,
Yes.
sit in the dark, photograph, and standing near the window at times, you know. आप कभी देख लीजिए, आपके बिल्डिंग में कंपाउंड होगा, गार्डन होगा, उस वक्त if you're seeing माली घास काट रहा है और a child is playing on the seesaw or the child is playing with the ball, या कोई लेडी बैठ के बाल बना रही है और शी इज टॉकिंग ऑन, दैट्स नॉट रियल. कोई माली इतना डेडिकेटेड नहीं है कि रात को 3:30-4 बजे आके घास काटे.
You saw all those people.
You can see it even tomorrow. See it in the night tonight. You'll get to see them. अदर से चाइल्ड इज प्लेइंग, या तो क्रिकेट लेके ऐसे बैट लेके ऐसे खेल रहा है, क्रिकेट कर रहा है.
I can see and you can see. Both of us can see.
Yeah, we can see, and whoever has, I won't say you need a superpower. आप देख लीजिए, you will find them. आप बिल्डिंग के सिक्योरिटी को पूछ लीजिए, they'll have so many stories to tell you.
Oh my god.
So just try tonight.
So you going into that dark alley,
We can identify them easily.
yeah, and you're not even scared of them now.
That's what, because now I've seen them. Now I've been to their ilaka.
Right.
This is one of the thing of the person who has experienced ND
Yes.
to be different from others.
Also because now I understand one thing, जितना एक हम बात कर रहे हैं लंबे अरसे से इस चीज़ पे, कि आपके ना बहुत सारे fears निकल गए हैं.
Definitely.
Because everything is coexisting.
Yeah.
If it's light or if it's dark or whatever, आप बोल रहे हो एनडी भी आपको यही एक्सपीरियंस हो, आप कहीं गए नहीं थे एक्चुअली, इट वॉज राइट हियर. सो दैट मीन्स यू हैव टैप्ड इनटू अ डिफरेंट रियलिटी जहाँ पे ये सब कुछ को एग्जिस्ट कर रहे हैं, हैप्पीली को एग्जिस्ट कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
तो ये आपके बहुत सारे जो डर है वो निकल गए हैं.
बिल्कुल.
So I think one of the biggest thing also because you see that you know अच्छा लाइफ के बाद डेथ है, लेकिन डेथ के बाद भी बहुत कुछ है.
और कुछ है, बहुत ज़्यादा. Death is not the end.
That is not the end.
There is life after life.
हाँ.
Like I'll never use the term life after death. It's life after life.
Life. So you can foresee a lot of things with your experience also.
And this is coming from this convent school girl who was even scared to visit the washroom at night. I would tell my mom, stand outside the door, I'm not going to latch it. I was so scared.
So scared. Okay. So from that,
Sweet pigtail girls, chashma laga ke. I was a little scared.
Yeah.
No, I mean, you have to stand here.
Right.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
No, kuch nahi.
so that journey is so immense and transforming, you know.
Yeah.
From that girl to 3:30, 4 o'clock at night and seeing probably a ghost, recognizing it, not getting disturbed, and just very comfortable like any other person. जैसे एक human को
And you
आपने
can
देख लिया.
understand them. Na? This is one of the gifts I got.
Okay.
You come back with a gift. You've been through pain, you come back with a gift. That is, now you can easily identify ये इंसान है और ये नहीं है. You can identify this is not real because the circumstances are such.
But now even after knowing that, you can know it's a happy coexistence.
Yeah.
अच्छे से दोनों रह सकते हैं.
Yeah.
अगर हमको परेशान नहीं कर रहे हैं तो भूतों की एक दुनिया है, हमारे साथ ही है, हमारे इर्द गिर्द ही है.
Yeah.
वो यहाँ पे रहती है और हम हैं,
live
we are
with, yeah.
living, we also exist. So it's also a very strong power of the soul to understand
them.
Yes.
Yeah.
बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे कहीं ना कहीं तो आप हर एक विजिट जो आप करके आते हो,
Yeah.
तो मैं तो मतलब एक सिंपल से इफ आई हैव टू से इट, यू नो, कि आप एक जाते हो लेबोरेटरी में, आप जाते हो वहां से आपको कुछ
Some
डाउनलोड होता
invention
है,
you do, a
हाँ, and
discovery
then you
and
come back
invention
and then
you
you're
come back.
using that power.
Yeah, that is why we are set apart. Like, you know, I'm a normal person.
Absolutely.
I shop, I watch movies, I talk, I socialize, everything. But there's something that in you that sets you apart from the others.
Your unique energy sequence, frequency.
And that generally it happens when you have been through the worst. You have learned to deal with human beings. You can deal with these things because I believe इंसान से खतरनाक प्राणी और कोई नहीं है.
Yes, totally, absolutely.
We have seen the worst of people.
Yes.
So we don't get scared of these. आपने देखा है मर्डर, रेप, चीटिंग, बैकबाइटिंग, चोरी चकाटी कौन करता है? ये सब इंसान करते हैं. कभी सुना है किसी स्पिरिट ने या भूत ने ये सब किया है?
नहीं.
ना. They don't do. They have their own world. But then sometimes that's that unfulfilled wish.
Okay.
That comes back.
Okay.
And I, being that I've been to your ilaka, I've been to your area and I've come back, so I can identify you.
Now you have a better knowledge of who they are and what they
Yeah.
are. So your soul has just expanded. The DNA आपका जो पूरा, you know, if I have to say expand ही हो गया ना DNA तो आपका. More information is being downloaded into you. So that means that every time you are having a near-death experience,
I gain something good.
we all know that there is a destiny. Okay?
I don't believe in destiny. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I
Can
don't
you,
believe in
because most
destiny.
of the people think that they have destiny, and we have to follow the destiny, where I think that we are constantly creating our future. So
See, sorry to interrupt, but I told you I don't know, I sounded very blunt, but I don't believe in destiny.
no, I would love to know, because this is what I want the viewers to know. I want your view on
आप
that,
इसको
because
किस्मत कहिए, तकदीर कहिए, नसीब कहिए, भाग्य. I don't believe in destiny, because I believe if I would be believing destiny, I think it would be a blame game very easily for all the traumas I've gone through life after marriage. 37 years of marriage and you've gone through hell. I would have blamed, मेरी किस्मत ही खराब थी. ना. You have choices.
yes,
Birth is, you don't choose your parents. You're born, you don't know. You're just in your unconscious mind. Death is inevitable. As I said, that has to be. You have a mortality rate. You are going to die. But in between की life है, you have the choice to make what you want out of your life. You can choose. I chose to come into this profession.
right.
I chose to give up my fashion designing. I
Right.
chose to give up my 9 to, not a 5, but because in the retail and hospitality, you don't have a time to,
It's 9 to
leave. Yeah.
9 to
But it was my
almost.
choice.
Okay.
And it was my choice to have one child. It was my choice to be here. You make choices. You make choices to be happy. How you react to a situation.
Okay.
प्रॉब्लम हो गया ठीक है. अभी हमको इससे बाहर कैसे निकलना है.
You also, now I am understanding is that you also have a very strong growth mindset. What it has prepped you is that you know that this is all drama. ये तो सब चलता रहता है. इसके बियॉन्ड
किस्मत
भी,
नहीं
हाँ,
है.
क्योंकि इसके बियॉन्ड भी बहुत एक अच्छी दुनिया है, बहुत पावरफुल दुनिया है, जहाँ पे सब कुछ पॉसिबल है.
और वहां पे तो बाद में जाना ही जाना है ना.
Exactly.
Nobody is going to be mortal.
Yeah.
I've heard people living up to the age of 120, but उनको भी तो जाना
जाना
है
ही
ना.
है. हाँ.
आप कल जाओगे, कल मैं चली जाऊंगी, but this is what in between life है. Choose it wisely.
Okay.
And you can make it. You can decide your day how it begins. Yeah, we are conditioned. दिन खराब गया, इससे पता नहीं किस मनहूस का मुंह देके उठा था.
हाँ.
No, if
So
I have,
many
and that even I do that. Listen, oh, it's going to be a boring day. And the day I perk up, no, it's going to be a fantastic day.
You're gonna be there.
And it actually turns out to be like that. So we can choose what you want to do in life.
So somewhere, I have practiced a lot of things. When you go through your dark night of the soul phase, तो एक पॉइंट पे आके ना आई डिसाइड कि जैसे ना दिस वाज हैपनिंग बिकॉज वो लॉकडाउन था उस टाइम पे, एक ही घर में कपड़े घर में ही थे और तो कुछ पहनना नहीं था. तो एक दिन ना वही कपड़े पहन के थोड़ी मैं बोर हो गई थी कि भाई सेम टू सेम ही पहन रहे हो, मतलब. एंड वो डाउन भी होते हो. डार्क नाइट ऑफ द सोल इज़ वेरी टफ फेज, यू एज यू नो. तो मैंने सोचा आज ना मैं कुछ अच्छा पहनती हूँ, लेट मी चूज अ बेटर ड्रेस. एंड वाइल आई वॉज सिलेक्टिंग, बिकॉज एज अ कलर थेरेपी वी नो हाउ वी वॉन्ट अवर डे टू गो. तो मैंने ये सोचा, एंड देन इट क्लिक टू मी दैट we can choose our emotions also.
Yeah.
We can choose how our days would be, rather than choosing clothes or materialistic things and outfits and all of that. We can choose how my day is going to be. We can choose how my emotion is going to be. You can choose what experience I want to be. And when you do that, automatically
it turns that favor.
Yes.
You if you drive, so you know the steering wheel. आपको पता है. अब you're even mentally prepared that आगे जाके स्पीड ब्रेकर आने वाला है.
Right.
तो मुझे स्लो करना है. मुझे रास्ते पे नहीं जाना है. I want to change it. Yeah, do it. But we can choose. So इसीलिए
Yeah. So my question before we started this was, how would you say that NDEs also is your choice, so that you can access those dimensions or places and gain knowledge?
Yeah, see, because it's a nice question you've asked and it's giving me a lot of insight, because choose, if it comes, I'm mentally prepared and I'm ready to accept it. Because the first time I didn't give up. That's when people die. That's when they die, when they realize, bhaiya nahi ho rahe wala hai. I said, I'm a fighter. Let me see now kya hai. You have to have the adventurous streak and you have to go through the grind of a normal person. God has been kind to me, although life has not been kind to me of giving me the being a pampered person. Nahi, get up, काम करो और उठो, झाड़ झटको, and you start working. So that is when you even take a call that should I go there आगे, should I come back? But then because we are human beings, the third episode made me vulnerable. अब जाने दो.
Like most of
And
the
then
time
your good
people do
karmas
that.
and your responsibilities bring you back. That's when I was sent back. Ab jaiye.
You have so much of wealth. आई डोंट नो हम कितना कवर कर सकते हैं बिकॉज आपके पास तो इतनी सारे एपिसोड्स हैं, इतनी सारे पोटेंशियल्स आपके सोल ग्रोथ के हुए हैं. इट्स सो इंटरेस्टिंग एंड आई एम ऑल्सो नाउ इंट्रीग्ड, यू नो. मुझे अब जानना है आपका जो थर्ड एनडी हुआ था.
In 21, in December, it's almost 3 years.
Okay.
When I was detected with a stomach infection called Helicobacter pylori. Yeah, it's a name what even we had not heard until I went through the endoscopy of my stomach. I went through the biopsy, and when I got the report, it was told as Helicobacter pylori, and this is a stomach infection. ये नाम हमने कभी सुना भी नहीं था, so I didn't even know how to spell it.
Right.
However, that's an ailment. It's an infection that affects your stomach,
Okay.
and there are huge ulcers. It was devastating. The pain, the symptoms were that bad. I thought I may not survive because I started to shrink. I started to lose weight rapidly. I lost my hair. I used to sit on my hair.
Yeah, you had long hair.
3 feet lambe
Yes,
baal
you
the.
had long
It just started thinning, and then I cut it. After that, I had a problem with my teeth because the deficiency started. It was gnawing on you. आपको खाए जा रहा था. And those stage again I went through it. That
Okay.
now I'm not going to survive.
Yes. Almost because of the pain
Yeah,
and the
because
problems.
I'm shrinking. I'm losing my hair. I'm losing my teeth. It's gnawing. It's like a parasite. It is eating me up totally. That light was getting dimmer. I didn't give up. I once again came up. Renaissance, what we call it, a revolution, as I said. After that, I don't know what was that. The light shone again. Literally, the white light came. The
Okay.
dark alley, nothing was
Nothing
there.
there.
And today I can tell it's 8 months.
Yes.
I've not taken a single medicine, not a single tablet. I've started eating everything.
Really?
I was restricted by my gastroenterologist to have my daily meal was one jawari bhakri, one banana, a little curd, and a little phiki sabzi. That I had it for almost 2.5 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Until the 12th of April. From December 2021 till the 12th of April 24. This was my diet.
So on 12th of April, suddenly after that whole
Just having a cup of Bonvita, milk.
Bonvita, yeah, and you, so is it like you were touched by the god?
Exactly. Maybe you have gone through the acid test and now you're cured, and this time today I can tell आप मुझे बिरयानी ला के दे दो मैं तो खा लूँगी पूरा कबाब ला के दे दो कोफ्ते ला के दे दो because after 3.5 years I'm eating and I'm not taking one medicine now.
Okay.
And I don't think I'll ever fall sick again. I don't think so.
Okay. So that whole DNA has changed.
Definitely.
So every time you had an NDE or a near death experience, good or bad, that doesn't matter, you started having more and more abilities to handle life.
One gain, something to gain in
Gain.
life, something to gain.
Okay. Okay.
That the third acid, I can differentiate between the living and the non-living. Today I can tell on television that I don't take a single tablet. I'm absolutely fine. The glow is on my face. I've got the shine on my hair. And I'm good.
It's the kiss of the god.
Yeah.
You really are the chosen one, you know.
I'm happy.
And I'm so honored to, you know, have this conversation with you, you know,
Thank
because
you so much.
every experiences of yours are, you know, now that I'm understanding about your life and everything, you have tremendously improved, you know, with every NDEs, your healing abilities to connect with other souls, to work with them, to heal with them, that has also tremendously changed.
Definitely.
It's become more sharper, if I may understand it correctly, that it's become more sharper, more faster, more accurate.
Exactly.
Has it, because
It's a soul journey.
Yes.
It's a soul journey.
Soul journey.
My soul has evolved.
So also because now you really do not fear anything.
Nothing
You
at
have
all.
seen the worst of all and the best of everything, and now you know it's just a game. It's just it's a dance that you need to just kind of work, and you are so, which also brings to a very important point. You know, that when a soul chooses to let go of the man constructs of fears or patterns or conditionings or blockages and hindrances, वो जो सारा अर्थ का क्रिएटेड है, ऊपर की दुनिया में या अदर साइड ऑफ द में नहीं है ये सारा चीज़. तो मतलब हम इंसान जानबूझ के ये सारी चीज़ें अपने में लेते हैं, एंड वी आर द ओनली पीपल हु स्टॉप आवर ओन प्रोग्रेस.
Yeah. And earth, when you said, even in Hindi mein earth hai. Earth is the materialistic greed of wanting more and more and more.
Yes.
When you pass through an ND, you surrender, you give up.
And then barriers are cut.
Barriers are cut.
Because now you've seen your soul, your conscious and subconscious mind, for whatever reason, has seen that the soul seated in us is more
Ultimately,
power.
it's the soul. So my soul has been rejuvenated of all physical ailments. Today, if you ask me, I'm back to having the energy of not only what happened 3 years ago. I think I feel I'm 31 now. At 57, I feel I'm 31 because I have that same
Yes,
vigor, the same
yes,
energy.
yes, yes.
I climb up 6 floors often. I love doing that because I know, my soul knows that now I have achieved the most difficult task.
Okay. So you actually went to like a soul mastery class.
Definitely.
With every near-death experience, you master your soul and you came back. Then you went more higher, you came back. Then you went to
And
another
thank you for
plane.
understanding this.
Yeah.
Maybe it was tough for me to convey, but you could understand. This is it's a growth of your soul.
Yes.
Your रूह, जो आत्मा जो है, और आप इसी से बने हो.
बने हो, right?
The
आत्मिक
रूह
बल,
stays.
जिसे
Yeah,
हम
the
कहते
soul
हैं.
stays. It just takes a शारीरिक form.
Yes. So there's a lot of empathy when somebody comes to you. So
Definitely.
जब आपने शुरू में बोला था कि empathy से काम करना है, कहीं ना कहीं ये आपके, it's coming from the ND
Understand the
experience.
pain.
Yeah.
And you understand it much better.
Better. Yeah.
We understand it much better because हम रूह से touch करते हैं. You're connecting now. When I connect to you or to anybody else, it's by you're connecting by the soul, because this is ultimately going to live on. Tomorrow when I pass over, this will remain because the ruh is talking to you now. The soul is talking.
The soul talks are happening.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you have fought everything and come. What in the materialistic world or in the earthly world you may give up once, but once you're on that journey, you never give up. You get the strength. And it's
Yes. So it's been a guiding force.
And I think God has been kind to me that He made me go through that journey, and अकेले आपको करना है. You're doing it all alone.
हालांकि मैं नहीं चाहूँगी कि मैं नियर डेथ एक्सपीरियंस करूँ, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द आई डिडंट हैव अ नियर डेथ एक्सपीरियंस, बट आई एस्केप्ड एन एक्सीडेंट वेरी ब्यूटिफुली.
So it could be the same thing, but you didn't know it until
Yeah.
you heard from me. Now you'll go back and you'll think about it. शायद वही होगा.
बिकॉज एंड मतलब मेरी पूरी कार टोटल हो गई थी, सब कुछ खत्म हो गया. And this was the same frame I was wearing.
This is what.
And मुझे कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, हालांकि मेरी कार पूरी ख़त्म हो गई. एंड जो देखने वाले थे, वो बेस्ट पार्ट यही था कि आई मेट विद एन एक्सीडेंट एंड आई केम आउट. तो थोड़ा नीचे गिर गया था, तो कोशिश करके भी ना आई केम आउट इवन इन दैट स्टेट ऑफ शेप एंड ऑल दैट.
जो car was turtle.
टोटल नीचे गिर गई वो, एंड वो इंजन पूरा फट गया था. इट वॉज पूरा
अब शॉक से it didn't affect you. हम तो मर जाते थे शॉक से.
आई वॉज एक्चुअली, बट 2 मिनट के, एक तो क्या ना वो पहले वो यू हैव दिस एयर बैग, सो एयर बैग से आपको पूरा हिट हो जाता है, तो यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पेन एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, बट उसके बाद 2 मिनट के बाद ना आपको पहले तो लगा क्या हुआ, क्या व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपेंड. 1 सेकेंड बैक आई वॉज ड्राइविंग अ कार एंड वेयर एम आई. तो एक थोड़ा टाइम लगता है आपको अंडरस्टैंड करने को, बट आई हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग कॉमन सेंस. और मेरी अगर यूएस में बोलो वही है मेरी कॉमन सेंस है. वेरी फास्ट आई पिक अप द सिचुएशन एंड आई राइज अप टू द सिचुएशन. तो और मेरे को डर क्या लगा कि दैट वाज माय सन्स कार. तो मुझे सबसे पहला थॉट ये आया था कि हाउ विल आई फेस माई सन. उसकी ब्रांड न्यू कार में लेके गई थी,
The mother in you.
तो मुझे वो था, वो फर्स्ट थॉट था. फिर मेरे चश्मे नहीं मिल रहे थे मुझे, बट मेरा फ़ोन डेस्क पे था, तो वो मैंने उठा लिया एंड वो नीचे जंप मार के ऊपर तक मैं आई. एंड देन आई वॉज काइंड ऑफ लुकिंग एंड देयर वाज समबडी हु सेड बिकॉज इट वॉज इन इंटीरियर महाराष्ट्र, मेला असेल का, म्हणजे मर गया होगा ना कोई, तो ब्लड तो नहीं दिख रहा है. And I'm also looking at it like this. Literally, I'm also looking like this, and I said,
She's there. She's alive. This is ND.
Yeah, and
This is
for a
ending.
second I thought maybe my dead body is there and
Because
my
it
soul
is
is
you are
here.
seeing yourself there.
But
and
I
it
wasn't there. I was here only.
Yeah, but you're seeing that because they have seen that.
Yeah, but they didn't see me climb up.
कोई
Not
मेला
in-
होता means they have seen that one.
they-
They've not seen you.
So my point experience was that they felt the accident was so bad that nobody would have survived it.
Nobody could have.
Yeah, but I survived.
So
for
you came
whatever
back from there. Now take pride in that.
No, I take a lot of pride, and after
You have
that,
also gone through NDA.
and my life changed. A
Count
lot.
yourself a part of my bandwagon.
Yeah, could be.
You could
I
be,
never
could be.
thought of it in that way.
This is because you were not interpreted. You were not told.
Yeah.
I just survived a massive accident. That's how we write on
Yes,
theory.
yes,
But this is what you have gone and you've come back.
But my life changed a lot after that.
This is what now you're giving the validation that yeah,
I
this
now am thinking, going back, and I'm thinking about it. Is my life changed a lot after that?
happened for the better.
It was
it's always for
the
the
beginning
better.
of the a very good journey, starting with a bad part, but then on to a very good part.
Wonderful.
Yeah, but it was yeah. But the whole spiritual awakening happened. So
So ND is a term, it's a technical term, but I think what we understand that it's a spiritual growth, it's a soul growth.
soul growth,
The
yes,
soul grows for the betterment
yes,
and it's going to live on.
and you chose your expansion through NDs.
Definitely. You didn't have a choice. You went through that, but then you chose to come out successfully from that.
Yes. So my last thing to you would be.
Oh, why the last? We could go on and on. I would love to.
Yeah, we would have loved to call you back again, Dr. Kiran Gupta. But at as of now, my last thing is, what would you want to tell the viewers about your impact on death, on your outlook on death?
On death, I would say death is. It sounds a bit cruel. It sounds the end of everything, but it's not the end of everything.
Okay.
Your soul goes through a change. It goes through a transformation. That was there even before you were born.
Yes.
You didn't know what's a soul. You were just born. This grows. At the age of 1, a child has a major growth. From the time he's an infant, he gets his teeth, he starts to crawl, he starts to walk on the first birthday. So this is what is your body is going.
Okay.
As you age, your organs get weakened, but the soul remains. In fact, I feel the soul grows stronger by the day.
Yes.
Your soul goes stronger because after this body, it has to enter into another body. And that it is going with so much of experience. What your body has gone through, it has learned experience. And the soul journey continues. And this NDE is an add-on to your soul growth.
Yeah.
Privileged are the ones like me who have been through this phase.
Absolutely.
And I take pride, and I think, not in pride in telling you how I've gone through, but I am very happy that I've been blessed that I have gone through this journey.
Yes.
Honestly, it's nice.
It's empowering.
Now the next person who gets my soul, he'll get it all ready made because ये तो निकल गया इसमें से, it's been crafted.
Oh yes, yes.
This journey has been so good. Now the next person who will get my soul,
That's a very deep thought. That's a very, very
that's
deep
how the
thought.
legends are made.
Yes.
I'm not a legend, but probably the next person who will get my soul is going to be a legend.
Oh my God, I never thought of it that way.
That's another side of the coin.
Beautiful.
Because so far people have been getting scared. Oh, ND is, it's not scary.
What I'm understanding is, I think nobody can think that way, the way you are perceiving it, because you are looking
Being
at it.
to it, yeah.
Yes,
And I always
yes.
see the I can say the good things in life. See the positive things, that what you have gone through. It's
Yeah.
positive.
Positive.
तो मेरे बात का जो soul किसी को जाएगा, he is definitely because he has been through all these things.
Yeah.
And
But also he's mastered a lot of
he's
things.
mastered.
Yeah,
He's gone through so much.
Yeah.
And I'm happy.
That's
I've been through that.
That's a very deep
It's
thought.
been good, it's been traumatic, it's gone. But then the last one, what has happened to me it has been a complete change.
Wow.
Today I'm telling this in front of you. I'm not taking a single medicines and I'm
That
I'm good.
itself is miraculous,
Not a
like
single medicine.
you healing yourself, apart from gaining all these wisdoms and all the
Because
insights
this
and
2.5
growth.
years I had my drawers filled.
Yeah.
इधर गोली ये नहीं खाना है वो नहीं खाना. अब उसके बाद this session के बाद we are going out for a biryani.
Yes, we are definitely.
I would love to.
On that note, Dr. Kiran, thank you so much for giving us such a wonderful insights.
Yes.
And I'm honored to have you here, and we'll discuss more on this topic or another kind of a topic, because being in NDA, you have gained a lot of things, So
Definitely.
this was just a beginning of something. We will have further discussions on that also.
And thank you for calling me
Thank
to
you
this show.
so much.
I am blessed.
Thank
God
you
bless.
so much.
I would love to.
Thank you for actually watching this episode and I am so grateful. अगर आपको ये हमारा टॉपिक अच्छा लगा है, ये पॉडकास्ट अगर आपको अच्छा लगा है, तो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू टू प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, शेयर इट विद अदर पीपल्स, लेट मोर पीपल नो अबाउट दिस. इंटेंशन यही होता है हमेशा कि हम हमारे सोल को कैसे एम्पावर कर सकते हैं, हमारी आत्मिक शक्ति के साथ कैसे ज़िंदगी में आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. तो ऐसे बहुत से टॉपिक्स हैं जिनको मैं लेके आऊँगी, तो रिक्वेस्ट यही रहेगा. एंड अगर आपको कोई एक पर्टिकुलर कोई एक जॉनर या कोई एक ऐसे टॉपिक के बारे में आपको पूछना है, तो आप प्लीज़ कमेंट्स में लिखिएगा. वी विल ट्राई टू ब्रिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ पॉडकास्ट ऑल्सो फॉर यू. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लाइकिंग दिस. आत्मा नमस्ते.